Hello all, welcome to Always Creations, where I hope you always get to see some great content. My name is Jeronica, and in today's video I will be doing a DIY Grinch inspired Christmas ornament. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Here I have 4 pieces of 3/8 gorse grain ribbon and a lighter to string up the Christmas ornaments. I'll be using the lighter to heat the edges so they won't fray at the ends and come undone. I also have 4 clear ornaments that I got off of Amazon. I'll be using the 2 large ones and 2 medium ones. The other ornaments were too small for my liking, and I didn't feel like those ornaments would do the project justice. And then I also purchased some green pom-poms off of Amazon as well, a pack of 300. They are small. They didn't have a variety of green pom-poms, so those worked out best. I also will be using a hot glue gun and glue stick to seal around the edges of the Christmas ornaments, sorry. And then I also have 4 hearts, 2 hearts for the large bulb and 2 hearts for the medium bulb that I'll be sticking. And I also have white acrylic paint and a toothpick where I'll be going around putting the dots around the hearts. So I am about to fill up the Christmas ornaments with the green pom-poms. I did struggle a bit with opening up that bag. I just wanted to make sure that I did not spill any of the pom-poms on the floor at all. So I'm going ahead and opening up all the Christmas bulbs and filling them up all at one time instead of individually. My 4-year-old daughter is helping. She typically helps me with my crafting projects if I'm not working with anything dangerous, and that could be my Cricut machine, the pointy tools that the Cricut come with, my Cricut mini easy press, and so I felt like this project was pretty cool for her to do and a little bit more on the safer side. And so you just see us going in and filling up all of the Christmas ornaments with as many pom-poms as we can, with the hopes that that we did not pack them too much. So now we are about to place the sticker onto the ornaments. So I'm just here, you see me explaining it to my daughter about what we're about to do. I'm asking her to hold the Christmas bulb while I take the backing off of the vinyl. This vinyl is a new one that I'm working with, so it's not the typical Cricut vinyl that I would get. I did get it off of Amazon. It was pretty tricky to get the backing off, but I got it done. And so I give this to my daughter, tell her to place it onto the ornament. And so I won't damper her creativity. I just allow her to place it without saying, oh no, you did it wrong, blase blase blase. And so I did explain to her that I was going back in to reposition it so that we can get all of the air bubbles and prevent the sticker from creasing. If you have worked with placing sticky adhesive things onto circular objects, you know that at some area on the sticky adhesive it can bubble up or it can create a crease because it is not being adhered to a flat surface. And so that's what you're seeing me here repositioning. I did have to do that with 3 out of the 4 bulbs, and so that's what took up a little bit of my time. They just didn't go on there smoothly enough for my liking, and I wanted to make sure that the hearts were laid perfectly as possible. So here I am going in with the 3/8 coarse grain ribbon. I'll be stringing up all 4 Christmas ornaments. By me heating the sealed end, it made it easier for me to get the ribbon through the hole. The hole was pretty small, and so that tip of the heated end of the ribbon made it quite easy to get it through. All I did was throw a simple slip knot in, and I'm tugging on it to ensure that the knot is in place and it won't come undone while we're hanging the ornaments on the tree and while they're hanging on the tree. Like I said, I got this ribbon from Amazon. It came in a pack of about 50. And I've so far used this for this project and several other projects as well. So, coming to the last step, I did fast forward because it was pretty self-explanatory here at this point. I am just taking the toothpick that I cut the tip off, and I'm going around the heart on all 4 ornaments, placing dots. All of the dots came out relatively the same. It would just monitor how much paint you get on the end of the toothpick will determine how large the dots will be around your heart. And that is it for this simple DIY project. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you truly enjoyed it. Vlogmas with a crafty twist. If you have not done so already, please like, comment below any projects you would like for me to do, and please suggest any useful techniques you think will be helpful on my crafting journey. And also, please subscribe. Thank you again, and have a happy holiday.